We decided that we're going to see exotic birds because she wants to see an exotic bird for some apparent reason.
The reason is because I love animals, but I can never have a pet because I'm not home enough. And I just feel bad for things. Like, where's the mother of the bird?
Okay. We're on. Oh, wait. We're off.
We could just turn it this way, Baba.
Turn what this way?
This.
I'm going to see you as we walking, and then you can see me while we're driving. Because since I'm the driver, you have to hold the camera. Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
I'll walk a little bit because it's too much pressure.
Too much pressure.
The baby and you, it's a lot going on.
How you want to be a YouTuber and you ain't even get to the real pressure yet? There's one person outside and you scared.
Who's scared?
Look.
I'm being aware. What's one of your goals when it comes to this channel? Like, what's something that can come out of this channel that you'll be like, whoa?
I'll be like, whoa.
Yeah.
1 million subscribers.
Whoa, for real.
Yeah.
I hope one day we get to work with Phantom.
Phantom?
Yeah. That'd be a great crossover.
Hey, why not?
Tú sabes, Phantom. De lo mío.
We have made it to the bird shop. She's such an excitement that she couldn't wait to get. She couldn't wait to get out the car to get to the damn shop.
You can see it in the back.
Yep.
So we made it to Todd and Marcus Bird Exotic. Vámonos. Vámonos, vámonos. Oh my God, baby.
Is that a bird shoe?
I don't know what that is, but it's cute. He jumped.
Look at the parrot.
Hello. Oh, he's scared, Baba. Feeling bad for him.
You feeling bad for him?
Look at him. He's a big bird. Well, let me not even say that because we're not treating them bad. They just
they good.
But I'm just sad. Where's his mommy?
Huh?
Where's his mommy?
Don't got nothing. Look at this guy. Like Rio. Got the white owl.
Hello. Like that character. We was watching it, regular show.
Regular show?
Yes, he looked like that.
Like Mordecai Rigby.
Oh,
That's a big guy.
Maybe he's a laughing bird.
Yeah. This one's big.
Baby, look at it. It's me and you. Look at me being calm, and that's you.
And the blackbird.
But save big for a limited time. The left page is
Of course I'll be the blackbird.
you. Can you? Moving at the speed of light until it costs 3 bands.
3 bands?
My mom likes birds. Oh my God, Dad, I love it.
This one is nice.
Baby, look it. Look it, I found my bird.
Cool. The rainbow bird?
I will call her Rain in her boat.
Okay.
Look at the pink bird. It cost 5 bands. She looked like the Dominican Republic. I will name her DR.
They choose through all these birds and which one I want it. I would probably choose. I like this guy right here. Out of all the birds, which one would you take home?
Hey, he bark.
Nah, he barked.
He do look. Oh,
Yeah.
it's a girl.
She wanna come on home with us. She see y'all the same color. She like, oh, a big bird. They come on to the big guy. I'm right here.
6,000.
6 bands. What up? What up?
The big one.
Nah, he big. think that's the only one.
Yep. That is.
Are you satisfied? You're done here? So, and we're out.